Hi, welcome to DelftStack. Today, I will show you how to stop unwanted pages from popping up in Google Chrome. First, open Chrome and go to the three dots in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the menu. Next, find the section called Privacy and Security and click on Site Settings. This area controls what websites can do on your browser. Scroll down until you see the Content section and then select pop-ups and redirects. Here, you can manage how websites show pop-ups. Set the main option to Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This will block most unwanted pop-ups automatically. If there are specific sites you trust or want to allow pop-ups from, you can add them manually. Under the Allowed section, click Add to enter the website. If you see any sites you don't trust, click the three dots next to them and choose Block. This method keeps your browsing safe and stops unexpected pages from opening while you're online. Thanks for watching.